Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the classic Roblox yellow shirt. This iconic item is a staple for many avatars, and the best part is it's completely free. To begin, you'll need to open your Roblox application or visit the website. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to the avatar shop, which is where we'll find this fantastic piece of clothing. Let's get started on finding your new look. Once you are in the avatar shop, locate the search bar, usually found at the top of the page. Type in yellow shirt or classic yellow shirt to narrow down the results. To ensure you only see the free options, apply the price filter. Look for the price section and set the range to free or drag the slider all the way to the left. This will help you quickly spot the exact item we are looking for among hundreds of choices. After filtering, you should see the classic yellow shirt appear in your search results. Click on the item to view its details page. On this page, you will find a prominent button, typically labeled Get or Free. Simply click this button to add the shirt to your inventory. A small confirmation pop-up might appear. Just confirm your selection, and the shirt will be yours, ready to be worn by your avatar in just a few moments. Now that you own the classic yellow shirt, it's time to equip it. Head over to your avatar editor. In the editor, navigate to the clothing section, then select shirts. You'll find your newly acquired yellow shirt there. Click on it to put it on your avatar. Feel free to experiment and combine it with other accessories or pants to create a unique and stylish look. Enjoy your timeless Roblox fashion statement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.